Keep in mind, I ain't never been in no barbershop.
You ain't never been in no barbershop? This gonna be the best cut you ever had in your life then. YouTube, Instagram, guess who's coming back to Velocity Cutz? Yes, Sir Cruse. The real Sir Cruse is coming back May 9th.
I haven't had my hair cut since November 9th. Next time I'm getting it cut is May 9th. May 9th is right around the corner.
You guys seen this man on Instagram going hard for his fans, answering calls on YouTube, connecting with his fans, so now he's ready to cut it off? And come to Velocity Cutz and get a cut by 360 Jeezy. Make sure you check your calendars, May 9th, it's going down. Well, we'll really go platinum if I mess up though.
You ain't gonna
Well, we'll really go. If I mess up, it really would go viral then. You ain't never been in no barbershop?
Probably when I was about 5, but that don't count.
Yeah.